Yo, real talk. If your bank account's gasping for air right now, breathe. I've been there. That less than $1,000 feeling? It's like walking a tightrope without a net. But in 15 minutes, I'll give you a fucking net. Let's fix this. Step 1. The $100 force field. Grab $100 right now. Dump it into a separate high-yield savings account. Ali, Marcus, no fees. Name it. Do not touch unless… Why? A flat tire won't nuke your progress. Borrowing at 25% interest will. Step 2. The $10 wealth seed. Open a free brokerage, Fidelity Schwab. Set automatic $10 transfers every Friday. Buy VOO S&P 500 ETF. Why? You're buying 500 companies for coffee money. Market down, discount shares. Market up, you win. Set it. Forget it. Step 3. Cancel the ghost charges. Open your bank app this second. Scroll subscriptions. That gym app you forgot? Gone. Extra Netflix tier? Downgraded. Random free trial still billing? Nuked. Take the savings and to boost your $10 transfer. Example, kill $12 Hulu right-pointing arrow. Now invest $22 per week. Step 4. The debt sniper move. List debt's highest interest first. Credit cards greater than student loans. Pay minimums on all, except the top. Throw every spare dollar at number 1. Pro move. Use canceled subscription $$ here first. When one dies, roll its payment into investments. Step 5. The 2-hour hustle. Weekend edition. Saturday morning. Snap pics of unused gear into sell on FB Marketplace. Sunday afternoon. Walk one dog, Rover app, and edit one resume. Fiverr. Payout goes straight to brokerage into automatically. No treat-yourself loopholes. Why this works when budgeting fails. Tiny wins build momentum. Automation fights laziness. $10 per week plus $50 side hustle equals $240 per month into $2,880 per year. Compounding turns pennies into portfolios. Look, wealth isn't built in grand gestures. It's built in boring Tuesday choices. Start tonight. Wake up tomorrow with a plan already working. If this slapped you awake, smash subscribe. I drop survival to thrival hacks weekly. No sugarcoating. Keep these scripts free? Join my Patreon, link below. You'll fund content that saves people's financial lives. Seriously, you're the GOAT. Go be the comeback story. I'm in your corner.